Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I work as a teaching assistantship at Department of Ocean and Mechanical Engineering at Florida Atlantic University. Here I'm taking engineering dynamic course final exam for Bachelor Studies of Mechanical Engineering students working as a teaching assistant. So this video is to motivate people to come to the school and get education like these guys and innovate, design, and make the world more good and more reliable place to live and develop technologies that is everyday people's life. So the aim of this video posting is to motivate students get into the college, school, and get your education and go anywhere in the world to develop the theory and innovative design products and a lot of things. Many people wants to know, email me and comments like what I need to do overall in the position of teaching assistantship at United States universities. Here I will try to give an overview of the job responsibilities as a graduate teaching assistantship. Graduate teaching assistantships are basically elected the students who completed their master's or a good standing bachelor degree at the graduate level. Graduate teaching assistantships are responsible for assisting the professor of this specific class or course. Teaching assistants are bound to maintain their office hours, 4 hours every day and 20 hours in a week. So they need to maintain office room, office hour, and after the class, they take the appointments from the students who are facing hardship in understanding the problems or assignments. So teaching assistants stays in the office room to help or assist students in their education, as well as TS also go through the answer script, also grade the question answers and submit the grading to the professor and the department, sometimes also to the graduate college. Furthermore, a teaching assistant need to prepare question, print, then take care of students throughout the semester, and also sometimes involved in official work for the professor, as well as some sort of project or research works. Recently, this class has been given a innovative project regarding engineering dynamics. So I am helping them to develop projects by students takes appointment to come to my office and we discuss about more ideas. I suggest them, assist them and guide them about projects and other stuffs or challenges they are facing. So our teaching assistants do all of these works, and also the benefit is very good. You will get a full funded like tuition waiver for your PhD or master studies. Then you will get paid bi-weekly for doing graduate teaching assistantship as per the payment scale of different universities in the United States of America. How actually these teaching assistantship jobs goes, and these are the responsibilities. So if you have more question, if you want to learn about more opportunities at Florida Atlantic University, comments on this video and also email me. I will give my email on the description. So please like, comments, and also share to your friends who want to complete their education. So I see you in the next video.